In this video, we are going to use Spring Boot with JMS and Apache Active MQ Artemis. We are going to create two applications, one a producer that use JMS template and function convert and send, and a queue named TestMQ, and another application as a consumer that use annotation at JMS listener, the queue name, and every time that a new message going to this queue, it will print it out. Okay, we have a Docker command that creates with a username password admin and the official port and a port for the UI administrator that we can see in our Chrome browser. Okay, we run this command, and if we don't have the image, it will pull it. I have it, therefore it's going to start it. Okay, Artemis is starting, and now you can see that it's been started. Okay, we can see it, the console, the administrator UI in our browser. Okay, with the port 8161 that we said. Okay, this is the UI for management. I can click on this link, and with the user password that we set in our Docker command, we can run it. You can see here that right now we don't have our test queue that we're going to use in our application. Okay, our application needs to have a dependency, a starter Artemis. You can add it from here with edit starters in IntelliJ IDE. If you search Artemis, okay, you can see that we chosen it before. Okay. In application properties, we set this, the URL of our Artemis ActiveMQ, and the user and password that we set admin and admin. Okay, and this is our producer code. We have a class with @service annotation and a JMS template that we auto-added, a counter, and this function is scheduled for every second to call this. Every time if counter is less than 500, we produce a message, and JS template will convert and send it to a queue named test-queue and print it out and increment count. Okay. And in the main application, we enable scheduling with this annotation. Okay, if we start it, you can see that it's going to run, and it's sending the messages. Every second send a message. We can see here that our test-queue has been registered in Artemis and in consumer application. In pom.xml, we like the producer have Artemis, and these are properties that we set in producer and consumer like them. And here in our class, you can pause everyone you want. We have a class add component and a JMS listener on our test-queue arc. Every time a new message receives, this function will be called, and our main class has nothing to mention. Okay, let's get started it, and in console. Okay, messages are received, and if you watch every second, a new message has been received. And here in producer, you can see, and this is consumer, producer and consumer, and this is it.